Hey everybody, Kevin here, WQ9F. Thanks for joining me today here on WQ9F Ham Radio. Today I am out here at Paradise Valley State Wildlife Area. This is a Parks on the Air park. And it's one of those parks on the air parks where the maps that you see online are not super clear. And this wildlife area in Wisconsin, you know, we know it's a wildlife area. I'll show you real quick because we found our brown sign. Paradise Valley State Wildlife Area, hunting, trapping, wildlife, canoeing and kayaking, that's a new one, and fishing. Cross-country skiing, hiking, and other foot travel. No ATVs, horses, bikes, camping, campfire, etc. State Wildlife Area, sponsored by Pheasants Forever, of course. This is one of those ones you go to and you're like, oh man, I don't know. There's a lot of no trespassing signs, and I'm down a one-lane road, and then all of a sudden you end up here. I have this little viewing area. I also have this really nice illustration out here. Thank you, Wisconsin DNR. As well as a little bit of history of the area. This is the Bark River Unit. This state wildlife area is actually split up into 4 units. If you type in Paradise Valley State Wildlife Area in Google, go to Google Maps, this is the one it takes you to. I'm in a parking area at the very end of Kincaid Lane. So this is the one you drive through and you start seeing no trespassing signs and a bunch of houses kind of way back in the woods. But then you end up here. And it's actually super nice out here, despite it being windy. I'm pretty sure there is still hunting season going on. So I did see a guy packing out and on the road, and he had his dog with him, and looks like he had his hunting gear on. I think there's a hunting season going on. I don't know. I've been seeing people on and off at the Wisconsin lands kind of this week, so I'm guessing there probably is. So I'm out here, my blaze orange SUV. There's just some barns and stuff out here. There's a gun club out here I think I passed, and a couple other things. They do have trails out here. These are a little more managed, but this property is foot traffic only. They've got this gate here that also says foot travel only, so that gate is only for DNR employees. But there's I think, looking at the maps, there's a bunch of like, kayaking land and canoeing area. There's some lake, I think there's a lake and stuff, and some creeks I think I saw, but it's kind of split up. But I'm not here for that. I am not a hiking type of person. But I'm here to do some parks on the air. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed, hit that subscribe button now. Make sure you don't miss out more videos just like this. Today, we're going to get this park activated though. I'm going to be on 17 meters. I did another park, and I'll put a link up in the corner to the last video where I was on 17, and we did really good, working 20 watts, including working some DX. This is actually my 5th park today. So we've got our 5-park rove done here. I plan on hitting at least 1, 2, maybe 3 more. We'll see. We'll see what time. We'll see how long this takes. But this is my 5th park today. I didn't record 2 of them because they were quickie FT8 activations, and nobody wants to sit and watch me stare at a computer and listen to. I mean, unless you do. If you do, put it in the comments down below, and I'll record some digital activations. I am going to record a digital activation coming up. I did a PSK31 activation back a couple weeks ago, and it was actually really fun. So I want to try some PSK31 and maybe RIDI and maybe a couple other modes and see what kind of contacts I can make. Because it was actually really cool. For today though, I've got my hamstick army set up here, and the only hamstick that doesn't have a case is 17 meters. So I'm going to go ahead and grab my 17 meter hamstick and get on the air. So these right here are the quick connect adapters right here, this silver thing that I use. These are actually super useful. They're spring loaded in here, just like so. And they have just a little lip. This is actually one of the reasons I'm going to HRO today. I need more of these. One of the reasons I'm going to HRO today is I need more of this piece. I have like 3 or 4 of them, but I have more than 3 or 4 ham sticks. So they sell a package. I think they sell a package that's like, it comes with the bottom piece, which I don't really need, so I'll probably sell it at a ham fest, but it comes with 3 or 4 of those adapters, which I do need. So I'm gonna pick some of those up today, hopefully.
CQ POTA, Kilo 7, Charlie Alpha, November going CQ POTA, and standing by.
Whiskey, Quebec, 9 Foxtrot, park to park.
Whiskey, Quebec, 9 Foxtrot, you're 5-9 into Kilo 4576, go with report, zone park.
Roger, Roger, you are 5x5, 5-5 into Kilo 9861.
Copy the 5-5 into 9861. Got you the log, 773. God bless.
Thank you. Have fun and stay safe. 73.
73.
All right, there's one. Park to park. I was just trying to find a frequency. So at 17 meters, you got to be careful because the band is real small. The bandwidth is real small on here. So we only have voice privileges from 18.110 to 18.168. So I'm going to set up here at 18.161, I think. Seems like we should be okay here. CQ parks on the air, CQ parks on the air, Whiskey, Quebec, 9 Foxtrot, calling CQ parks on the air, park Kilo 9861.
Alpha Echo 5, Delta Sierra.
Alpha Echo 5, Delta Sierra, you are 5x5, 5x5 into Wisconsin today.
QSL, I got it to 5 and 3, 5 and 3 into Texas. Hang on.
Roger, Roger. Thanks for Texas, and have a great New Year. 73.
73.
QRZ, Whiskey, Quebec, 9 Foxtrot, parks on the air.
Whiskey Delta 4, Delta Uniform Oscar.
Whiskey Delta 4, Delta Uniform Oscar, 5x7, 5-7 into Wisconsin today.
Roger, 6 for the 5-7 there in Wisconsin. You're 5-5-55 here in the state of Georgia. Just got you on the HRCC chat there.
Yeah, Roger, Roger. Thanks for picking me up there. I appreciate it. Number 3 in the log today. We're only running 25 watts into the ham stick, so glad to put you in the log here.
Hey, Roger, you're doing real well for 25 watts there in the ham stick. Coming in great to Georgia. So thanks so much for the activation. Have a great day. 73.
Roger, you too, and Happy New Year. 73. QRZ, Whiskey, Quebec, 9 Foxtrot, parks on the air.
Kilo Tango 4, Echo Mike, park to park.
Kilo Tango 4, Echo Mike, you are 5x5, 5-5 into park Kilo 9861.
About a 5 and 4, 5-4 in North Carolina at Kilo 4860, 4860 QSL.
Roger, Roger, 4860. Thanks for the park to park. Have a good activation and stay safe. 73.
Alrighty, thank you for picking me up. 73.
Thank you. QRZ, Whiskey, Quebec, 9 Foxtrot, parks on the air.
Kilo Alpha 1 Victor.
Kilo Alpha 1 Victor. Great signal into Wisconsin today. Nice 5x9.
Okay, very good. You're 5-7, Mike Alpha.
Roger, Roger, 5-7 into Mike Alpha, running only 25 watts today, so I appreciate the contact and hope you have yourself a great New Year.
Okay, Happy New Year, 73.
73. QRZ, Whiskey, Quebec, 9 Foxtrot, parks on the air.
Kilo India 5, Sierra, Quebec, Lima.
Kilo India 5, Sierra, Quebec, Lima, 5x9 into Wisconsin today.
I've got you 5-9 into Alpha Romero.
Copy, copy. Thank you very much for Arkansas, and I hope you have a great New Year. 73.
73, and the same to you.
QRZ, Whiskey, Quebec, 9, Foxtrot, parks on the air.
Kilo 7, Mike, Yankee Hotel.
Kilo 7, Mike, Yankee Hotel. You are 5 by 5, 5-5 into Wisconsin.
Yeah, QSL, you're about 5-5 in North Dakota, about 5-5 in North Dakota, about the same each way.
Roger, Roger, only running 25 watts today, so glad to put you in the log here, and hopefully we work you again soon.
Well, QSL, a low power there. You're doing well there. Band's kind of up and down, but anyway, got you in the log book, and you're doing well up here. 873s, have a good year.
Roger, Roger, 73, and Happy New Year. QRZ, Whiskey, Quebec, 9, Foxtrot, parks on the air.
Victor Alpha 6, Romeo Charlie, November.
Victor Alpha 6, Romeo Charlie, November. You are 5 by 5, 5-5 into Wisconsin today.
Thank you. You're 5-3, 53 into Alberta. 73, have fun.
Roger, Roger, thank you, 73. QRZ, Whiskey, Quebec, 9, Foxtrot, parks on the air.
Whiskey 7, Echo Yankee.
Whiskey 7, Echo Yankee. You are 5 by 7, 5-7 into Wisconsin today.
Roger, you're a 5-3 into Montana, and I caught you on the Discord, so I'll say hi here. 7-3.
Roger, Roger. Thanks for picking me up there. I appreciate it. 17 is a little bit slower than it was at the last park, so thanks again, and 73. QRZ, Whiskey, Quebec, 9, Foxtrot, parks on the air.
Kilo Echo 4, Lima Romeo Sierra.
Kilo Echo 4, Lima Romeo Sierra. You are 5 by 7, 5-7 in Wisconsin.
Roger, you are 5-7 down here in Georgia, Golf Alpha.
Roger, Roger. Thanks for Georgia, and thanks for hunting today, 73. The Kilo Bravo station?
This is Kilo Bravo 5, Romeo Victor X-ray. You're about a 5-4, 5-4 Oklahoma QSL.
Roger, Roger. You are 5 by 3, 5-3 into Wisconsin today.
QSL, 73.
Thank you, and 73. QRZ, Whiskey, Quebec, 9, Foxtrot, parks on the air.
Kilo 9, Juliet, Foxtrot, Bravo.
Kilo 9, Juliet, Foxtrot, Bravo, 5 by 5, 5-5 into Wisconsin.
Roger, thank you for the activation. You're about a 5-6 into Rhode Island, over.
Roger, Roger. Thanks for Rhode Island. Only running 25 watts today, so I appreciate the contact, 73.
Good signal for that level, 73. Have a good activation.
Thank you. QRZ, Whiskey, Quebec, 9, Foxtrot, parks on the air. Alrighty, so I got 12 contacts here at 9861, Paradise Valley State Wildlife Area. 17 has died down a little bit. I did a little bit better at the last park, but I still got 12 in the log. 12 in the log is good enough for me, including 2 park-to-park contacts, so that's always nice. A couple people from the HRCC Discord. Thank you all for the Discord people. If you want to find me on Discord, I put a link down below to my username down there, but you can find me on the Ham Radio Crash Course Discord. Specifically, you can usually find me in Spots and Skeds. I hang out on the K5YVY Discord, as well as the Toads Discord. So you can find me on any one of those if you are on Discord at all. Thanks again for everybody, and hopefully we'll see you again soon. Till next time, 73.